Come on, dude, we're gonna miss first tracks.
We missed it.
No, we didn't.
Yeah.
Get up now. We won't.
No.
Huh?
No.
What do you mean no? What do you feel like?
$1,000,000.
Okay. Doesn't look like it.
No, I feel good. I don't eat breakfast. I don't give a fuck. But you should have got up and got some of that fresh French toast.
This kid was fucking up.
Yeah, I don't know why he didn't go French toast himself up.
Oh shit, yeah, we left that Z in the car.
Alright, I'm throwing that out there. There's no chance I'm letting you slide with the ZD again.
What time are we going up this mountain?
Dude, never.
We'll talk where to park in
You
this
know what I'm saying, dude? You don't know what the fuck
I can't park in a fucking parking
I don't. I'm trying to check into this bullshit airline. Don't fly fucking Frontier. I don't know what I was thinking. I was cheaping out.
Ah, you fucked up, buddy. Get a load of this view.
Fuck you.
You see that?
Fuck you.
Fuck you.
I don't know.
We can't even park anywhere because this guy has to have the biggest dick in town. The biggest rancher I know.
How you gonna drive a
Just park
King Ranch
here,
though,
bro.
dude?
Park like there or some shit.
How you gonna drive a King Ranch and be the King Rancher when you don't even have a ranch?
Well, you're the one stressing.
I'm not stressed.
You like freak. You go into like this fucking fight or flight mode when
Because
you
these
get
people
stressed.
park like assholes, and I can't fucking park in a fucking parking spot in this thing.
He's like, all right,
Shit's
yeah,
wet-
yeah,
fucking-
all right, okay, all
I
right.
can't
fuck
fit in
you.
half the parking garages.
And I'm
to
just
walk-
chilling here. I'm here for the ride. I'm
You have to
relaxing.
Fucking walk 2 fucking miles.
It's okay. I'm fine. These boots are made for walking, baby.
You ready to go look at water buffalo?
Water buffaloes.
I don't think there is gonna be buffalo.
Bro, what do you mean?
The whole
That's where
island.
they all are, is the island.
Dude, are we gonna fucking ranch them up then? Can we lasso them out of this
You
thing?
wanna?
Out of your sunroof? This
You fucking can.
Dude, I'm gonna get a rope out the moonroof. Then you could really call it the King Ranch.
Lasso them
Salt Lake
up.
City Temple.
What are we, it looks like we're going across the border or something.
Bison may be dangerous.
No way we're going to see
Entrance
some
fee,
bison.
$15 per vehicle.
No, brother.
How are you?
It's $15.
Stay away from the bison. Bison are fast and nimble. They may look slow, but they can run up to 40 miles an hour and change directions
What do
quickly.
you do? Zigzag? Like on an alligator, they tell you to go side to side. That motherfucker can't roll, can't turn.
I've never heard that. I don't know. Where the fuck did you hear that
If
from?
you fucking poke them in the nose, that's what they always say. You poke them in the nose right here, they'll let you go.
We are gonna lasso them, aren't we?
Yeah, out the sunroof, I'm gonna.
Oh, dude, I forgot to. He's stepping on it.
I better can hold my weight. The directions said, once they flip their tail up, you best start walking away.
They're ready
Don't
to charge.
run. They say don't run, but walk.
The antelope. They're feasting.
And I'm gonna go sit in the King Ranch. Fucking fingers away from me. Get over here. Fuck no. Yeah, I'll pick this whole thing up and throw it out. How the fuck did these kids get a King Ranch? Where did they steal this?
That's what I
thing
think
from?
about every time I get out of my truck. People probably think how I afford this, and they probably think my parents bought it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
those people who were literally just watching us play with cow shit, and then we got in this thing. The water ain't for another 3 miles. How far are we going?
It didn't look that far from the car. Did it not? Didn't it look closer?
The water's 8 miles away from here.
It's right there.
It's not right there.
Oh, dude, it's right there.
Every time we get 100 yards, it's 100 more yards. Fuck, bro. You drove there. So why are we keeping going?
A few inches later.
What do you think you are, a fucking buffalo?
Dude, this is the classic story of if your friend jumps off a bridge, are you gonna jump too? One of them started to eat the poison. The rest of them were like, fuck it, he thinks it's good. Might as well try. Bang. Genocide.
Genocide. Dude, why the fuck? How's the island have snow-capped
Yeah,
mountains?
that's fucking nuts. This island has snow.
Let's see it, Mr. Cowboy.
Dude, it ain't fucking. You gotta get our rope going. Almost got his ass. I got a better idea.
What? Don't you fucking dare.
Yo, all those dead birds you guys saw in those videos had the bird flu.
Videos, we were there.
He's vlogging right now. So tomorrow's vlog is gonna be us all dead in Cooney's room, just like those birds with the bird flu. You ever met someone you gotta convince to party?
No, never.
Yeah, I'm fucking over that shit.
He's over it, dude.
Dude, Cooney's just fucking pissed because he spent those $60 on 15 Angry Orchards, and we didn't drink one of them.
Because you guys want to go fucking everywhere else instead of just drinking at the fucking house. The fuck's the point in going out?
John's out there looking for ladies. It's pretty comical to watch. He goes up there trying to riz someone up.
I didn't see him
He's
try
like,
to riz anyone.
Hey, I like your shoes. I hope we don't get the bird flu. Did you fuck me?
Well,
I
we
didn't fuck you, bro.
we all
Your alarm was going off too.
fucked myself, I guess, but alright, so
Stressful part of the trip.
I got a flight in freaking 20 minutes that I gotta be on. You're chilling, you got like an hour. He says we're good. I don't know about
We're
this.
so good. Every time we hit a stressful part of the airport, John starts leaving. He's like, oh, dude,
Dude,
I
I'm-
need to book a new flight right now.
Dude, I'm losing my marbles, dude.
Definitely my flight is used up.
Well, okay, if I was gonna miss it though, I feel like she would have said something to me
Yeah,
right
for
there
sure.
while checking in. So I should be good, hopefully.
Maybe she just knows how good our timing was, and that's why she asked how much did you fly. She's like, damn, this guy crushed it. He's gonna get right through TSA, right through.
I'm not even have to wait, dude.
25.
Oh, dude, this is where we split.
Where are you?
I'm in B. Oh, wait. You're in what?
Hey, I'm in B.
Oh, shit. It's a nice airport.
Sick. I'm glad I'm here, really.
Yeah, it must be nice. Oh, what? What's it got delayed? Oh, wait, what does that say? Is that just a now time? Holy shit, dude, you barely made it. Dude, that's insane, dude.
Already zoning. Zone 4's already going in.
I don't think I'm zone 8, but